My name is John McKeon, and we are here live with Claudia Imhoff. She just got in last night, and she has been running around already talking with customers. Claudia, what have been the topics of discussion so far?
Well, John, first of all, thank you for giving me the opportunity to talk about these things. But I found that there are three big topics that I've heard so far. And again, I've only been here for less than 24 hours. But the first one, I did give a talk this morning on self-service BI or do-it-yourself BI. I was astounded, but the room was full. There were people standing up in the back of the room. So apparently, do-it-yourself BI must be something that everybody is very much interested in. And what we discussed during that time, first of all, I went over it's an architected environment. It does not mean self-sufficiency. We are not going to be building little BI silos all over the organization. It's actually going to be something that is manageable as well as usable by the business community. But I think that's a big topic, self-service BI. The other one, I had a wonderful interview with a customer of Teradata's, and they are just embarking on the creation of data labs, these little sandboxes, if you will, or experimental areas that people are just now beginning to build inside their Teradata environments. And they're very excited about that. They are very happy about it because it does give their business community a place where, a safe haven where they can go and experiment with the data. Again, a little bit of that self-service flavor. I'll set it up for you. Then you go in and do your thing, analyze whatever you want, figure out what seems to be an important set of data, and then we'll move it into the more production-ready environment. So that was the second topic that I thought was really interesting. And then the third one, which Teradata has gone into in a big way, they have expanded the architecture way beyond the traditional, I have a data warehouse and I may have a few data marts. The new Teradata architecture, of course, brings in the experimental areas. It brings in the little sandboxes. We bring in Aster data when we want to do something a little bit different. And the questions that we're getting, or I'm getting at least from some of the customers that are starting to embark on that, is how do I coordinate the movement of data, the usage of the data across this variety of BI components. And what I'm so happy to have heard is this whole push toward the Teradata Unity products that allow the customers to organize, coordinate, and enhance, maintain this now diverse environment, diverse technologies and so forth, but at least be able to manage the environment in really clever, very good ways.
Claudia, I'm sure your session was well attended. What do you think your audience walked out of there? What are the top three things were the big takeaways for your self-service BI chat?
Well, the first one was, yes, it is an architected environment. There are 4 components. We have to have easy to consume and easy to enhance data. That's the first one. The second one, we have to have easy to use BI tools. The third one is we've got to have fast to deploy and fast to manage data warehouse solutions. And then the fourth one was the one that I think we're all thinking about. It's easy access to sources. You'll notice I said plural, sources of data that people can run analytics against. It's not all inside the data warehouse anymore. It does mean we have to combine data external to the data warehouse with data that's in the data warehouse. So those are the 4 big points that we talked about.
Claudia Imhoff, one of the icons of BI here at Partners Conference. Thank you for coming in. I'm sure your attendees loved your session.
Oh, well, I thank you very much for giving me the opportunity, as I said. So thanks so much.